I'm Casey Jones, one of your oil twins. Today's the day I've been waiting for. My rear shocks finally came in. This video is going to complete the series of the stabilizer, front shocks, and rear shocks on my 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Extreme Recon. I have been experiencing over the last few months a little death wobble. Definitely getting tossed back and forth going down the highway. The front shocks improved things, the stabilizer improved things, but now it's time to do the rear shocks. That should complete the package. If you want to watch the prior videos, click the link above to my left and you'll be able to check them out. The install should be straightforward. We're going to remove some bolts, rip out the old ones, drop in the new ones. Stay tuned. I'll show you the steps you need to take, the tools you need, so you can send it. We're the oil twins. We build it, break it, fix it, and we run AMSOIL the right way. Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to keep up on all of our antics. For more information, visit www.oiltwins.com. Okay, what I got here is the new shock, 18mm socket on a swivel with a breaker bar, 18mm wrench, got an 8mm on an air ratchet, a pry bar, got some metal protector to spray on the nuts, and a trusty air impact. Before you get started, find a place to jack up the Jeep so you can take the pressure off of the shock. First thing you do, behind the bumper here in the wheel well, there's a panel, has 3 8mm bolts. Remove the bolts so you can get access to the shock right here. Hey, listen, I don't want to hear any smack talk about how dirty my Jeep is. It's not a mall crawler. Is yours? Next, remove the top bolt. With the top bolt removed, grab your 18mm wrench and remove the bottom bolt. Grab your new shock. Notice the boot goes on the bottom. Get your top bolt, install it first. Don't torque it yet, just get it lined up. Start it by hand until it's snug. All right, grab your handy dandy torque wrench, set it to 56 pounds. Set it to 37 and do the top bolt. Now repeat the same on the other side. What shocks do you run on your Jeep? Let us know in the comments. And now it's time for the test drive. And that's it. Remove the bolts, put in the new shocks, torque it all down, go for a test drive. 2 new shocks installed, 2 worn out, leaky stock shocks replaced, and a safer ride down the road. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. God bless you and your family. Oil Twins, built, tested, and proven.